Many Christians who stand behind Donald Trump are able to cite specific reasons for doing so, and one of the more common ones is that they see him as fighting back against all the wrong things that the left represents. Even more than that, many of his supporters think of him in terms of good versus evil, not only as Trump fighting evil, but he is a force for good, possibly even a man chosen by God to help restore America to greatness. Above all else, he is a defender of Christianity. But do any of those things really matter to Donald Trump? Does he really think in terms of standing up against the left, or of fighting evil, or of standing up for Christianity? Or does it really all come down to something much, much more basic? Last week, Trump posted on Truth Social a comment by Harold Ford, the longtime former Democratic congressman. Why did Trump do that? Because Ford said that Donald Trump was as gifted of a political athlete that he had ever seen. It didn't matter to Trump that Harold Ford is a Democrat, or that Ford disagrees with just about every policy position by the Republican Party. What mattered to Trump is that Ford talked about how great of a politician he is. Ford had played directly to Trump's ego, and Trump loved it. This has, in fact, happened numerous times before with Trump, whether it's Vladimir Putin or Kim Jong-un or a host of others. It doesn't matter who they are or what they represent. It only matters that they praised Trump in some way. But none of this seems to register with Christians who support Trump. They believe that he really is fighting against evil, unable to recognize that, in fact, he's only in it for the praise. Like a rudderless ship at sea headed whichever way the wind blows, Trump's beliefs and values are tied to his ego. Not only is being praised the most important thing to him, but being criticized sees him immediately striking back with venomous rage. Christian Trump supporters may not see it right now, but the day is coming when they won't sufficiently praise Donald Trump, and when that day arrives, Christians will be shocked at how quickly he turns on them.